Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Clipchamp project and selecting the aspect ratio you need. 16, 9 is standard, and 9, 16 fits vertical formats. Next, import footage. Drag and drop or click upload to pull files from your device. Once done, organize clips into bins or rename them so you can find content quickly. This saves time when editing. Make sure to check footage formats and frame rates early so timelines behave predictably. Then move to the timeline to start assembling your sequence. You place clips on the timeline and trim using the clip edges or the razor tool for precise cuts. Ripple delete closes gaps automatically. Once footage is in order, add transitions and overlay text from the Assets panel to improve flow and clarity. Use color presets or the color wheels to correct exposure and white balance. For sound, normalize audio, reduce background noise, and add subtle keyframes to balance dialogue and music, so viewers hear everything clearly without abrupt jumps. You're ready to export. Pick resolution and quality. Use original frame rate or 30 FPS for web. Preview the full project once more, and if it's long, run a low-res test export to confirm edits and audio sync. When satisfied, export and save to your desired location or upload directly to a platform. If export fails, check common issues: insufficient disk space, unsupported codecs, or app updates. Restart Clipchamp and retry. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.